Hi everyone. We're going to take a look at making windows and doors on our Tinkercad model now. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to look at my door entryway if I can. And let's bring this over here. So this door right here is the first thing I want to start with, and then the windows. So here on Tinkercad, first thing I'm going to do actually, because I made a mistake here, I want to raise the roof on everything, raise the walls. So I'm going to select everything on my platform, and right here where it says 1, we're going to change it to 2, because 2 is going to stand for 8 feet, because every quarter of an inch equals a foot. Then over here, zoom in on the side, because I want to start with my main entryway, and a box. Um, the box is 1 by 1 by 1. I want to change this to be 3 feet wide, so that's going to equal 0.75, like so. And then I want it to be 7 feet tall. The average adult is somewhere between 5'5" and about 5'8". So I'm going to change this here to be 7 feet tall, just for those taller individuals. So 7 feet tall is going to be 1.75, like so. And then I can squeeze in my doorway, and I can make it anywhere I want right here, but that looks good. And as long as it's going through the wall, I'm going to use my arrow keys. As long as it's going through the wall, that'll be good. And if you want to change your snap grid now to something else, you can change it down here. I'm going to change it to 1/8 of an inch so it snaps at smaller increments. That looks good right there. And then I'm going to select just these two right now, and I'm going to group it together. And voila, the doorway gets cut out. And we're going to leave the doorways open just like that. So that's making a doorway. Then my windows here, let's look at where I have some windows. So I have two windows on this side wall here. And they're kind of tall windows too, if you notice here, with some openings on the side. So I want to change this. So I want a window here and a window here. Again, box again. And I want to decide, okay, these windows, so I know this here is 8 feet. My windows are going to be 6 feet. So 6 feet tall. And I'm going to make them about 3 feet wide, same as the door. Actually, no, we're going to stick with about 4 feet wide. 4 foot wide windows, and then scaling this up here. So 6 feet is going to be 1.5 inches. And then I want to raise it up. I'm going to raise it up 0.25. You can see 1/4 of an inch. And then I'm going to squeeze it into the wall. Put one somewhere right around there. Command C, Command V. And I'm going to make another window. Just like that. Make sure that's kind of symmetrical on the inside. That looks good right there. And then, like this here, I can take these two. I'm actually going to Command C it so I save it for other ones. Command C, Command V. Drag it over here because I'm going to use that in a few minutes. And I want to group this all up. Command G to group. And I have some windows cut out like that. Cool. All right, next here, I want you to keep on going. I got a window back here. I got a giant window doorway back over here. Window, garage, a few more doors to put in. And so for those other doorways, what I can do here is I'll ungroup this here. I'll ungroup this here. Ungroup. And ungroup it once more. Keep on making the same mistake. And ungroup once more. And for these other doorways, I can take this piece here, Command C, Command V, drag it out. There's my doorway. I can rotate things around because I know the next doorways are going to be the other way. And I know I'm going to have a doorway somewhere over here. Again, I can use the F key to move things around, Command C, Command V. Use the arrow keys to move things over. I have another doorway right there. And then I'm going to Command C this one, Command V. And I know I'm going to have a doorway on the other side of the house. If we hold the Shift key and I press the arrows, it moves in bigger increments. And then F to focus in on it. And I want another doorway right around there somewhere. Cool, like that. And I know I have a few more doorways while I'm at this here. Got that one, got that one. I also have a doorway right up here, so let's go to the top view so we can see this a little bit better. So I have a doorway right here and right here into my closet and into the master bathroom. And I have a doorway into the other bathroom too. So back here on Tinkercad, I want to take Command C, Command V. Oh, actually, we're not going to do. We're gonna take these ones over here. So focus on those doors. F to focus in. And I want. Ooh, I'm missing a wall here. I forgot to put a wall in. Command C, Command V. This is going to be for the other bathroom over here somewhere. I can move it around in a minute. I'm also going to take this, Command C, Command V, and I want another wall in here. Oh, right around there will look good. And let's make that, obviously I don't want it cutting through all my rooms, so somewhere right in there. And then Command C, Command V. I want a doorway into the closet here. And then I'm going to copy this one because I need a doorway going into the master bath there. And I'm also going to make this right now, Command C, Command V. I have a huge giant sliding doorway slash window over here. I'm going to stretch that out just like that. That looks pretty even right there. Woo, that's a lot. It's a lot of doors. Oh, one more thing, Command C, Command V, and the garage. Huzzah. So I go over here, and whoop, too far out, stretch it way out here. It does not need to be perfect, but 5 foot 7, 8, so about 6 feet. So if I change this to 6 inches, that means 6 times 4 is 24 feet. So 24 feet garage door, 24 foot garage door. That should easily fit 2 cars. Make sure, I'm going to move this door over a little bit. Just make sure everything looks the way I want it before I group things together. This needs to be a little bit more centered. Then I'm going to move this to the side. We'll save this for later. And here we go. I'm going to group it all, select it all together, and group. Hopefully I didn't forget any doors, but we'll find out here in a moment. And it cuts out my garage door and my back door there, and all the doors and even the 2 windows I put in. So now you just got to finish up on the select view windows.